Hey, hello. So today we're going to show you unpacking the E500. So we just carefully open up the cutting through the top and see what's in the box. So of course you get your E500 manual and warranty, and then we have some real fancy packaging material. I would suggest to keep it around because it's really neat to transport the machine, maybe at a later time or to a job site. And you also got this little box. Don't throw it out. I'll show you later on what's in it. And then of course is the machine. So there it is, the machine, and now let's see what's in the box. I'll open this up for you guys. This way. So we got of course the extra blade, and then we have a little bag with some tools in there, some Allen keys you might need if you want to change the blade, and we have some cards, some business cards for you guys you might hopefully hand out to your friends. And there you have it, the E500.